Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, classes and real-time interview questions and answers. Part 36. How to overwrite an Excel sheet using an Execute SQL Task in SSIS. In this part of training, we are going to discuss about how to overwrite an Excel sheet using an Execute SQL Task in SSIS. Before getting into that, we have to know what is an Excel connection in Execute SQL Task. An Excel connection is a connection manager in SSIS that allows the Execute SQL Task to connect to an Excel file, that is .xlsx or .xls using OLEDB. This connection behaves like a database connection, but instead of tables, you have Excel sheets treated as tables. Example, sheet $1, something like that. Let us see practically these things in SSIS. Right now I am in SSIS trying to create a new package. I am trying to renaming it as overwrite Excel file. For that, first what we have to do, I'm taking a data flow task. First, I'll try to load one table from a database to one Excel file. Then by using Execute SQL Task, I'm going to overwrite that file. For that, I'm taking a component called OLEDB source because I have to connect to a particular table. I'm connecting to this GKey solutions.demo.GKey database. And here I have a table called person which is having a data of 10 records with ID, name and value. And I am trying to load this data into Excel file. For that I am taking Excel destination. Before to do this, what I am going to do is I am just trying to create one Excel file in a particular location, that is D files. Person underscore data is my Excel file that I have created here. Now I am trying to make a Excel destination connection. I am browsing the file. Now here I am trying to create a sheet inside the Excel file. The sheet name would be data and these are the different columns. Okay, and these are the different columns. I'm trying to execute the data now. See, the package got executed. I'll try to see the data in the Excel file. Here we have created a data sheet which has been loaded with 10 records which are from OLEDB source. See, these are the records which are available in person table. Now what I have to do is, if I run this package again, there is no option in Excel destination to overwrite the data. That means the data will be appended here, like first 10 records and next 10 record data is going to be appended. There is an option in flat file destination that we can overwrite the data, but there is no option in Excel destination to overwrite the data. To avoid this situation, what we have to do is we have to use Execute SQL Task. For that, just taking the script from here, it will be useful in Execute SQL Task. I am taking Execute SQL Task here. In Execute SQL Task, we can see different connections. I'm just trying to open the Execute SQL Task here. See, the connection type default is OLEDB. Apart from this, Excel, ODBC, Adobe.NET, SQL Mobile, these are the different connections. We have discussed lot of things based on OLEDB. Now we are discussing about Excel connection type. Now coming to the connection, we have already established a connection to a particular file, that is person data. We are taking this connection. Here we have to do the things. Here now this connection is taken as a table. Now we can write a statement here. Here I am trying to create a sheet. Inside the sheet is like data
By using SQL command, first what I'll do is drop table data that I'm going to use here. Drop table name and go. These are the two things that are going to be execute one by one. Now by using this like SQL statement, that is for the Excel connection, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to drop the sheet inside the person data, and again I'm trying to recreate the same sheet. This would be the first step here. See, in Execute SQL Task, what every time it is going to do while running the package is it will just drop the sheet and again it will create, and here once you come to the data flow task, it will just load the data from the like SQL Server database to the Excel file. In this way we can overwrite the data or truncate and insert the data. Things are going to be happen. There is no overwrite option in Excel destination. That is why we have to use Execute SQL Task, that to Excel connection. This is the new point that we are discussing in this part of training. I'm trying to execute this package now. Package got executed successfully. Let us check the data in data sheet. Now there is no like other 10 records here. Why? Because it got deleted first and recreated and data got inserted. If you want to process verify again, you can like run the package again. You have to do the same thing. Okay. If you open the Excel again, see, same data is available. In this way, if you want to overwrite the data in the Excel file, you have to use the Execute SQL Task. That too in connection, you have to take the Excel connection and you can write a query inside the SQL statement, and you can drop and recreate the sheet from the beginning. In such a way, you can overwrite the data in Excel file. Why? Because there is no direct option to overwrite the data in Excel file. I think you got some idea about the overwriting of Excel files in SSIS. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.